Hey, it's a boy with a bag, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Bandcamp downloads, purchases, any bootlegs that you download off SoundCloud onto your Spotify playlists. Let's get started. To get started, you're going to need the MP3 of the song you want to sync to your Spotify account. You're going to need a Spotify account on your phone, a Spotify account on your desktop that are logged into the same account, and have both devices on the same Wi-Fi network. So for this example, I'm going to use one of my favorite purchases on Bandcamp so far. It's Nicki Nair's Mana Hotum, and it's a track off of the charity compilation released a few months ago. So I purchased the compilation and I have the track here. So first we're going to create a folder on your documents or desktop that we can use for your Spotify local files. That way only these songs get synced to your Spotify account. And that way, only the songs you copy to this specific folder we're creating are synced to Spotify, and not every single MP3 that you have in your downloads folder. So let's go ahead and drag it from downloads to the folder I just created called Spotify Local Files. Again, it doesn't matter what you call it, just make sure it's something that's memorable so you can always come back to copy songs to it. Next, let's go to your Spotify account to enable local files. So on your desktop app, you're going to go to your account and click the drop down and go to settings. On here, you need to turn on local files. It should be a little down on your settings page. Once you turn that on, you'll see a few options. In my case, you're seeing the folder already selected because I set this up previously. But in your case, you may just see downloads and my music. So you turn these off, and then you can add a source and add the folder in which you're going to copy all the songs to that you want synced to Spotify. Then you turn that on if it's not turned on by default. Now you can go to your library and make sure that the song is actually synced to your Spotify account. So click on your library and navigate to the local files folder. Click on it and we can see that the song is synced to my Spotify account. Let me just double tap to see if it plays. Perfect, so it's on my Spotify account on my desktop, but now I have to get it into my playlist and have that synced to my phone. So all we're gonna do is drag it from here into the playlist that I want it to be in. In my case, I wanna add it to my Sweat It Out gym running playlist. So now when I click on that, it says added to playlist. Let me confirm that, and it is. So now it should be in this playlist, and let me move it up a little bit. It's one of my new favorite songs. Let me make it second. So now you have to go to your phone and ensure that you have local files turned on over there, and give it a minute or two to sync to make sure it pops up on your phone, and then you're good to go. So let's take a look at how that looks on your phone. All right, so this is how we enable sync on your phone. Go to the Spotify app on your phone and head to settings. It's either this gear icon on the homepage or the profile image in the library section of your app. Either way, you'll be taken to the settings page that looks like this. From here, scroll down to local files and turn it on. Then go back to your library and leave the app open for a minute or so, depending on the number of songs you're syncing and your internet speed. Don't forget that both the devices have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Click into the playlist and you should see the new songs appear there in the order that you've synced it on your desktop. Now you're done syncing it. Click on the song in the playlist to ensure that it's actually synced to your phone. If it's not synced yet, leave the Spotify app open on your desktop and phone for a few more minutes and it should sync in time. Perfect. Now that you synced your first song to your Spotify account on your phone, it's easy to sync future songs. All you have to do now is copy any future MP3s and paste them in the folder we created in the beginning of this video. And whenever both your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network with Spotify open, it will sync to your phone. So a few notes about this process. One, if you share a playlist with a local file synced to your phone, the other person will not see that local file. Again, it's kind of common sense, but that would be a copyright violation. For example, if I share this gym playlist with you, you are not going to see that song on it because that was added by me from my personal Spotify account via local files. You will just see everything else that's available on Spotify to you. you can't click into the artist's name or like any of these offline files because again, they're not connected to Spotify's database and none of those actions work with the app. That's it. Leave a comment below if you found it helpful and share with a friend if you think they'll benefit from it. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.